I spent the last few days testing over 50 ChatGPT image prompts. Some were terrible, some looked like obvious AI, but few completely blew me away. Today I'm going to be counting down the 10 best prompts that created the most realistic cinematic image, and trust me, number one looks like it's a real Hollywood production. So let us go ahead and proceed. What's up everyone, my name is Kelly and welcome to Kelly Brainz. On the channel I test AI models so you don't have to waste your time. Instead of giving you random prompts, I'm showing you the ones that actually produce incredible results. Let's start with number 10. I showed this image without any context. Would you believe it was made with AI? This honestly looks like a luxury Swiss advertisement. Look at the naturalness. Everything looks perfectly like a Swiss watch advertisement. Now look at the saffron, the crystal. Notice how the warm light around it hit and reflects across the glass. If you look at it over here, the warm light hit and reflects across the glass over there. The tiny water droplet gives the natural composition and the detail of what this is needed and what it's supposed to represent. The brush titanium finish everything, and even the background stays so clean that your eyes focus on the product, guys. So this can be used for a perfect watch advertisement. Now let us go ahead and show you the prompt that created this. Now this is a prompt that created this luxury watch ads over here, guys. So if this is number 10, then obviously number 9 is even better. This one looks like a commercial from Bugatti. Now you can notice a reflection on the wet road, the new light bouncing across the paint. Now also the fog surrounding the car, nothing feels like random. This feels intentional and every detail helps sell this realism of this image, guys. So this is the exactly prompt that was able to create this amazing stuff. So instead of guessing, you can use this prompt to create the same thing. So if this is number 9, then number 8. Fashion photography is usually very clean and minimal. Notice how the background isn't competing with the model. The soft studio lighting highlights the face and the texture of the clothing, while the shallow depth of the feet keeps your attention exactly where it should be. That is why luxury fashion campaigns look often simple but expensive, just like what you see on our screen here. And this is what we use to create this fashion editorial image. So you can just get this as well and proceed. Now let us move to the 7th prompt, which is the Cyberpunk, and it's way more better. So if I'm using the traditional way I make videos, just copy this here, head over. Now I'm just doing this for this particular one so you know that we are actually generating these images using the prompt I'm giving you and nothing behind the scene, so you can understand the full process of whatever we're doing. This image feels alive because nothing is standing in this image, nothing is standing still, everything is having an action. Like you can see, we have the rain, we have the flying vehicles all over, we have the fog drifting between buildings, glowing holograms. We also have the reflection on the west street. This environmental details makes the city feel like a real place instead of a collection of buildings, and that is what makes this particular prompt stand out. And here, like I said, this is the one we use, the Cyberpunk City. Moving up to the prompt 6, which is even way more better. This looks like something from National Geography, and this particular one is called the wildlife. Now the telephoto lens compresses the background, making the lion appear even more majestic. The sunrise creates soft golden light that brings out every strand of the mane, while the distant mountains and the morning mist add beautiful depth to the background. And what gives it that edge is that it is simple, but every element works together to bring out this composition, but keeps the lion still as the main point of attraction of this particular wildlife prompt. And this is the prompt to use to get this. Now this is prompt number 6, and prompt number 5 is way more interesting. Look at what we have here. Now what makes this image powerful isn't the soldier, it's everything happening around him. Now you can see the smoke, the sunlight breaking through the clouds, death on the uniform, the damaged vehicles, all works together to tell the story of the battle that has already happened here. That's the environmental storytelling. And then one of the easiest way to make AI images feel cinematic. Now it wasn't about the soldier, right? It was about the environment. It was what was happening. You can see the sunrise, you can see the burning vehicles, you can see his desert uniform. This is what keep it that cinematic, give it that feels that yes, a battle just happened. You don't need to be explained to. You already know there's a war here, and that is what we use this prompt for. The Hollywood soldier. We use this prompt to get that particular image right there, which is number 4. The lighting is doing most of the work here. Instead of lighting the whole room evenly, sunlight enters through the window, that is through the castle window, and naturally highlights the king without any effort. You can also perceive and see the dust particles and the banners makes the castle feel lived in instead of empty. Now it makes this castle feel real, like someone actually living there, and also small details like this are what makes AI image feels believable. It is not a king sitting on a classic place, but then there is a sun rays, and the lighting from this whole image came from a single window, and there are particles that were coming through that window to give it that feel of a natural environment. And this particular prompt here, which is called the Fantasy King, created this. We are heading to number 1, Do Not Leave. Now you can see this perfume right here is actually a luxury product ad. Now luxury product photography is all about controlling reflection and lighting. Notice how the glass bottle reflects the studio light without becoming too bright. The flowers soften the scene while the mist and the floating particles add elegance to this whole stuff. And this looks expensive because the image has a very few distraction. Every detail guides your eyes back to the perfume as it should, and this is the main deal, guys. So we use this particular prompt to create that luxury perfume art right there, guys. Let's proceed to prompt 2. All right, so this doesn't look like a dragon. It tells a story. Now instead of placing the dragon on a plain ground, we put it on the mountain overlooking an entire kingdom. Now the warm sunset lightning makes the dragon's scale glow naturally, while the distant castle and the mist create a huge sense of scale. Then also remember that the wide angle lens makes everything feel like grand, makes you feel like you're watching an opening of a scene or an opening scene of a fantasy movie. Now this is what most Marvel producers do to get that amazing thing you always see on your screens. So this prompt was used to create it, and then moving on to the final prompt, which is called the Hollywood movie poster. The prompts are made available in our Telegram community. Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and drop a comment. Tell me what you think about this. Let's wait for the results. Alright, so we have our image 1, which is the Hollywood movie poster, and what made this particular prompt even more interesting is give us option which came from ChatGPT officially. Now this is Echoes of Valor. This is actually the movie name, and this is the poster for the first one, guys. So ChatGPT actually asks us which one is better, so you be the judge. You can see this one over here, and you can go ahead and also see this one. Now look at this image. The first thing that grabs your attention is the composition. The hero is placed right in the center, making him the clear focus. Now you can also notice that behind him you have explosion, giant machines, and supporting characters adding skill without distracting from the subject. Notice the blue and orange color grading. That's one of the most common color combination in Hollywood because it creates strong contrast and instantly feels cinematic. The smoke and the light rays also add depth instead of looking flat. Now you can see the scene has foregrounding, middle ground, and background layers, making it like a real movie posters. This is actually very amazing, and I can see for sure that both of them are actually very nice. I'm not going to choose between two of them. I like both. You can make the decision on your own in the comment section. So this is the prompt that created this, and altogether I'll be giving away all these prompts over here, and you can see all the prompts are available, and they'll be made available in our Telegram community, guys. So if you enjoyed the video and you like what we created using these, you can go ahead and subscribe, turn on the notification bell. We created a lot of images actually. You just have to navigate and see everything. I'll be dropping everything that you need to get your own images in the Telegram community right there. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the videos, please support by liking, commenting, and subscribing. See you all next time.